He did this to attract money to his house. Look what happened. Awesome. It is known as jade plant or money plant, and when you know this plant will change your life completely. Its scientific name is Crassula ovata. It is a popular plant known. This is a beautiful plant with small pink or white flowers. Originally it comes from South Africa, but it is popular around the world like plant of interior. Its popularity to attract money comes from many years ago. According to Feng Shui, this plant gives money and fortune because it is well-rooted and its vibrant energy symbolizes new growth. This plant is also called money tree, and is considered to produce good vibrations and generates prosperity to entrepreneurs. It tells a legend of Taiwan that a farmer worked all his life, but never got to thrive. This man was very superstitious. He lived in a small valley, and one day when he went to the countryside like every day, he saw a small and unusual plant that he had never seen before. This man thought was that his prayers had been heard, and that God had sent him this plant as a gift to give him the opportunity to be rich. I took the plant home and started studying it. She realized that it was unusual, but still very beautiful. This is a beautiful plant, with vibrant green leaves symbolizing growth and renewal. Its leaves are very similar to the jade coins which, on the other hand, symbolize wealth and prosperity. This plant is very common in business, and it has become tradition to give them away. The principles of Feng Shui say that this plant attracts wealth because it radiates positive energy and, therefore, has a positive impact on life in general, especially in the business area. In China, this plant symbolizes good luck, so it is ideal as a gift for prosperity, wealth and fortune in a new home. In case you want to visit a couple of newlyweds or a business opened, the Crassula is ideal as a gift. This money plant increases your bank account, will help you pay the mortgage, credits or debts. In addition to tradition, this is a beautiful plant that lives for many years. If you receive it when you are young, and care for it, it will probably last for many years.